Introducing the new Apex Rack Repair app, available free on the App Store. Put the safety and performance of your warehouse in the palm of your hand with this easy-to-use pallet rack damage assessment tool, complete with instructional videos and training guide. The Apex Rack Repair app walks you through each step to capture all the specs needed for rack damage evaluation and repair. Simply find the damage location, load images, part details, and measurements, all clearly outlined in the app, and hit submit. With the click of a button, you receive a comprehensive damage report, followed by an Apex quote for your custom-fit, expertly installed rack repair kits. So download the free Apex Rack Repair app today, or call our in-house rack repair team to handle all the work for you.